Every once in a while, you need some food to go with your beer. So today, I'm going to teach you the recipe for Bikerson's Outlaw Biker Chili. I'm not going to give up all my secrets, but you're going to have more than enough to work with to make your own competition-grade chili. Coming up. So you're going to need a few things from the kitchen, like Bush's chili beans to start off with. And I really like the sweet and smoky chipotle pinto beans that this company makes. Then you got tomato sauce, and you're also going to throw in some fire roasted diced tomatoes. I find the fire roasted to have the best flavor, and some Rotel with the red and green chilies. Seasoned black beans, but we're going to rinse them off like this. For a little bit of heat and flavor, I dice up jalapenos, pepperoncinis, and banana peppers and throw those in there. You can adjust those based on how hot you want it to be. Go ahead and mix that in and throw a little bit of that pepper juice in the mix as well. The meat blend I use most of the time consists of ground beef, hot country sausage, and chorizo. And I throw that in and pepper it up with a little bit of Worcestershire to give it some extra zest. Go ahead and mix that up and we'll get ready to dump that in. And a little bit of spiced rum. So for seasonings, I throw about a tablespoon of brown sugar in, some black pepper, some sea salt, some steak seasoning, a little bit of chili powder, and a couple of hot sauces. I like Tabasco and Frank's myself. And there you have it, Bikerson's Outlaw Biker Chili. I can't say all the Outlaw Bikers like this recipe, but I know a lot that do.